So my husband and I tend to do a lot of spur of the moment, really random things, but this has probably been the most randomest thing we have ever done. So we have been looking at old trucks for quite some time. We've gone to junkyards, we've searched on Facebook Marketplace, we've met up with people, and we just quite haven't found the truck for us yet. As you guys can see, a lot of the trucks we've looked at have been really rough. However, we see beauty in them and would love to restore them. So we just weren't having any luck here in New York. We decided to expand our search and we found this beauty in Nebraska, which is 26 hours away from New York. So we decided in just a couple days to go to Nebraska and check out this truck. So we left New York. We had 1 day and 2 hours of travel time. We are used to traveling, so we were totally okay with this. We traveled through lots of different states. We actually ended up at a Christmas Story house in Cleveland, Ohio. It was the coolest thing ever. I'm such a fan of the movie, so I was very excited to see this. We saw many beautiful sunsets and just saw so many cool landmarks. When we travel, we like to go as long as we can without stopping. So that kind of results in us sleeping in the car sometimes and brushing our teeth in the car. So we finally made it to Nebraska, and this time we decided to stay at a hotel, which was amazing. Come here. We are so tired. Oof. We got to this hotel at like midnight. We woke up at 5 and now we're heading off. So we got like 5 hours of sleep-ish, right?
Probably less.
Probably less. So we're gonna go. We have like 4.5 hours more to go, I think. I'm gonna go look at this truck. Okay. Like we mentioned in the last clip, it was about 5 a.m. and we were about to meet this guy for the truck. We were so pleasantly surprised with how beautiful Nebraska is. Everyone told us it was just gonna be tumbleweeds and there wasn't gonna be anything interesting to see. Connor and I were just blown away at the beauty of this state. It is just so gorgeous. So here are some clips from the beautiful state of Nebraska. Finally, we only had 1 more hour of travel left. We were so excited. We also probably thought that this man who we were meeting most likely thought we were insane traveling all the way from New York to look at a truck that we may or may not get. But it was totally fine. We made it to this very small town in Nebraska. It was so adorable and so sweet. So let's see what happens. So we are here. We drove to the guy's house, but he was like, it's not here. We have to go drive somewhere, but I don't know what the address is. So you have to follow me. You see it? Oh yeah, I see it. So we just pulled into like this big, I don't even know what this is, like an empty space. And we see the truck. So
On another part of town.
on the other part of town. So it looks like the pictures so far, right? So far, so good. This is a 1952 Ford F1. The F1 is different from the F100. These ones seem to be a little bit more rare and a little bit harder to find. It has such a cool front grille and just has a really cool design to it. There are so many cool, awesome things about this truck, such as the original owners we are actually in contact with. There's just so many neat things about it. However, it did look a little bit more rough than the pictures.
Do you feel like you should get it or no?
I feel like for some reason like no, but I don't know if it's just because I'm really tired and I'm just Like I get in these moods where I'm just like, I'm over it, I'm tired, let's just go. You know what I mean? Talking out with someone else. Oh my gosh. Look at the dog. It's a dog. I think it's like a wolf.
I don't know what it was. I was about to hit.
Hi, little doggy. What should we do? Tell us what to do. Are you an angel? Oh my gosh. Hi. Hi. I don't know where you came from.
Maybe we'll just get a dog out here.
I know. I could go bring the dog home. Alright, so I'm sure people are gonna think we're crazy right now, but we are not positive if we are gonna get this truck or not. And we both kind of came here with the mindset of like, if we come and we don't think the truck is good, we're not gonna get it, because we don't want to spend thousands of dollars on something just because we drove out here, and we really have enjoyed this trip. So what happened was, when we got there, it did look a lot worse in the pictures, which is usually how it goes. I'm gonna talk it over with Connor. We're just trying to like look at prices of stuff and figure out even more. We already budgeted everything out for the truck, but now that we went there and we saw other issues, we're gonna have to add on to that total, so it's gonna make a little bit of a difference. Connor and I are here alone with this cute little pup. He's so adorable. We decided, there's also an old motorhome here. We decided to just drive back over by ourselves instead of calling the guy first, just so we could really look at it on our own and see how we feel about it. It was a little overwhelming. We just didn't really have the space we needed to like talk to each other and look at it. So, I mean, the good thing is too, is the doors open and close like great. Where usually like on the other ones we looked at, we couldn't even open the doors.
This obviously is
Kind of hard to see because our shadows, but I'm feeling a lot better about it right now. We still have no idea where this dog came from. The owner of the truck has no idea where this dog came from. Maybe he was just a dog that lived kind of on this little car shop area. Who knows? But it was amazing to have the dog there. He felt like a little therapy dog. And Connor and I decided to buy the truck. We are so excited about this and cannot wait to show you guys. So we got the truck. This is funny because how many videos have we filmed of us like looking at houses, properties, cars? We're always like, so we didn't get it. And I never end up posting them because I just don't know if you guys are interested in like seeing our journeys of looking at stuff. But we actually have the truck and I'm really excited about it. We had a moment of just feeling like we shouldn't get it. And then, I don't know, we were just overcome with the will to buy it. Yep. Oh my gosh, you guys. We keep having like these mini heart attacks because when you look right here, you just see the truck, but it looks like it's a car coming to hit us. And I've been doing it non-stop and Connor hasn't, but I was just having a conversation with him and he went, oh my gosh, and he like jumped. And I was like, what's happening? But he thought like a car was coming to crash. And it wasn't. Oh, this is too much for my heart. We're so overly tired. We only slept for 7 hours on this now. What is this, like 40 hours? We need sleep. In the middle of nowhere, we're on these really weird roads that like are dirt or something.
It's literally just dust.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it's like a normal road, but just dust.
Yeah.
Wow. The trip back home was almost more fun than the trip there. I think we were just so nervous and so unsure of so many things going there. And once we had the truck, we were finally able to just relax and enjoy it. So we decided to make a couple detours on our trip and just go see some sights that we wanted to see. So we went through a cute town that had lots of beautiful Christmas lights and Christmas decorations. We also listened to a church online called Transformation Church. It is one of our absolute favorites, of course, besides the church that we go to in New York, but we stopped at the church. They were having this awesome event. We were the only ones there, so it was really cool. And we also got to go to the world's largest gift shop, which was awesome. Road trip update. I literally can't even keep my eyes open. They're so heavy. We got to go through Route 66, which was such a cool sight to see. When we got home, we decided to give the truck a bath. Her temporary name is Princess Tomater. We couldn't really think of anything, so that's what her name is. If you guys have any questions about the truck, leave it down below, and next week's episode will address a lot more. I know we kind of missed some stuff in this one, but we are so excited to restore this truck back to its natural beauty. So I hope you guys are excited too. Definitely subscribe if you're new, and I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas. We will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.